Hi Tubman, it's Mrs. Morell. Today is Friday, May 22nd. We are going to read about Dean Kamen today and talk more about his inventions. Let's get started. Yesterday, we read the text about Dean Kamen's inventions, Mr. Invention, and you were supposed to finish some sentences using because, but, so. Let's start with these. Dean Kamen's products are the same because. Let's go back to the text. The same. Oh, I remember in common means that they are the same. They share something the same. So what is the same about his inventions? They improve people's lives. Dean Kamen's products are the same because, I'll put it in my own words. Dean Kamen's products are the same because his products make people's lives better. Okay. Kamen is a strong supporter of science education. So, let's look back at the text. He is a strong supporter of science education. Right, so he thinks science education is important. He is a supporter of science education. So, what did he do? He started first a robotics organization for high school students. Kamen is a strong supporter of science education, so he made a robotics group for high school students. Last one. Kamen started a robotics organization for high school students because. What was his reason for that? He wants the next generation of students to be full of great inventors too. Kamen started a robotics organization for high school students because he wants students to learn to be inventors. So I went back in the text and I found evidence to help me finish these sentences. So today we're going to talk about Dean Kamen's inventions. We will answer, who is Dean Kamen? What did Kamen invent? How did Kamen's inventions improve people's lives? How did Kamen help other people? As we read, I want you to take notes. You should have some notes from yesterday. Let's read this again together. Mr. Invention, from Superstars of Science by ReadWorks. Dean Kamen is a guy with ideas. He has invented all kinds of products, from medical machines to scooters. What do his inventions have in common? They improve people's lives. Make sure you're reading out loud with me. Kamen is best known for inventing the Segway, a kind of electric scooter that's controlled by slight movements of the rider's body. But the Segway isn't his only cool invention. He's also created wheelchairs that climb stairs. Kamen's inventions have made him rich. He is a strong supporter of science education. He started first a robotics organization for high school students. He wants the next generation of students to be full of great inventors too. Okay, so now we will read another version of this text. Please read this page to yourself. Let's read it together. Mr. Invention. Dean Kamen has lots of ideas. He has invented many things. Read to yourself. Let's read together. Dean invented the Segway. People ride Segways like scooters. Read to yourself. Let's read together. Dean also invented a special wheelchair. The wheelchair climbs stairs. Read to yourself. Read together. Dean's inventions made him rich. He also wants students to learn about science so they can be inventors too. Okay, so now that we have read the text 2 times, let's answer the questions. Who is Dean Kamen? Say that out loud. Now say your answer. Dean Kamen is. I'm going to say Dean Kamen is an inventor. What did Kamen invent? I need to go back to the text for that. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, he invented the Segway scooter, and he invented wheelchairs that climb stairs. Okay. Kamen invented the Segway scooter and a wheelchair that can climb stairs. Okay. How did Kamen's inventions improve people's lives? Answer this out loud. Say, Kamen's inventions improve people's lives by... How does the Segway make somebody's life better? How does a wheelchair that can climb stairs make somebody's life better? I'm going to say, Kamen's inventions improve people's lives by making it easier, simpler to get around. If somebody is in a wheelchair and now they can climb stairs in the wheelchair, it makes it simpler to get where they're going. How did Kamen help other people? Answer the question out loud. Kamen helps young people by... What did he do for students? Look in this paragraph. How did Kamen help other people? He is a strong supporter of science education. He started first a robotics organization for high school students. He wants the next generation of students to be full of great inventors too. So, Kamen helps young people by supporting science education with a robotics group. So we used the text, we went back to the text and read it again to help us answer the questions. You can do this when you are reading at home. Stay safe, keep reading. I miss you. Have a good weekend. Bye, Tubman.